Hi, today I will show you how to create multiple folders easily with batch file. It's too easy and please follow me carefully. So here I need some folders, gonna make 5 at least. Before that we need to enable an option for file extension. This is must. Simply go to start and type folder. Click on file explorer options. Go to view and make sure that hide extension is not checked. It's not checked, okay? Apply and okay. Now create a new document and name it. After dot, type VAT. It means batch. Now simply go to edit this. Type @echo of as shown. Then MD and the names you want as the upcoming folders. And when you are done, save it and close. Now simply double click on the bat file. And the folders are there. The folders are there easily. You can create as many folders as you want by this method shown. Now again, suppose I need some more folders under folder 1. So copy this batch file and paste there. And go to edit. Now increase or decrease the names of the folder you want to get it as. Save it and double click. Done. So this is the way to create multiple folders easily with batch file. I hope you really liked it. Please subscribe to Joseph IT and like our video. Goodbye.